Object that start or begin with letter S. Kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel, huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang subscribe, ang like at ang bell button para ma-notify ka sa tuwing maia-upload ako na videos. Magandang umaga mga bata! Handa na ba kayo ngayon sa ating panibagong aralin? Ano nga? Okay, dahil handa ka na, bago tayo magsimula sa ating aralin para sa araw na ito, ay kinakailangan natin ng gabay ng ating Panginoon. Kaya ngayon, ay samahan mo ko upang tanggapin ang ating basbas galing sa itaas, galing kay Jesus. Okay ba? Okay, simulan na natin magdasal at manalangin. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, marami pong salamat sa mga biyayang ipinagkaloob mo sa amin sa araw-araw. Gabayan mo po kami sa aming pag-aaral at sa bawat gawain aming gagawain. Hilungin mo nawa ang sakit na lumalaganap ngayon sa buong mundo at panatilihin mo kaming ligtas sa kapahamakan. Hinihiling po namin ito sa ngalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Ngayon naman mga bata ay tapos na tayong manalangin. Samahan mo naman ako ngayon na magpalakas ng katawan. Gusto kasi ni teacher na maging malusog ka at malakas ang iyong katawan araw-araw. So, kailangan nating, unatin na naman ang ating katawan. Palakasin natin. Unatin natin. Kaya ngayon, ikaw ay tumayo at samahan mo ko sa aking pagsasayaw. Handa ka na ba? Dali na. Ipakita mo nga sa akin na ikaw ay handa na. At tumayo ka na maayos at ihanda ang iyong sarili sa ating bagong sayaw sa araw na ito. At kinakailangan, syempre, kabisaduhin mo ang ating sayaw. Naintindihan mo ba? Okay, so dahil naintindihan mo na, simulan na nating sumayaw. So ngayon naman mga bata ay ihanda natin ang ating sarili sa ating panibagong aralin sa araw na ito. Pero syempre bago tayo magsimula sa ating aralin ay gawin natin ang ating daily routine. Handa ka na bang gawin ito? Kung ikaw ay handa na, simulan na natin. Tayo naman ay dumako sa ating balitaan. Ikaw nga ay magulat.
Awitin
naman natin ngayon ang awit ng panahon. Tingnan natin at pakiramdaman ang panahon, kaibigan. Maaraw ba o maulan? Pagpasok sa eskwelahan. Sabihin mo nga kung ano ang panahon natin ngayong araw na ito. Mga bata, tayo naman ngayon ay magbilang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Ayan, mahusay. Alam niyo na kung ano ang tamang bilang ng 1 hanggang 50. Ayan mga bata, nagawa na natin ang ating mga daily routine. Ngayon naman ay ihanda mo ang iyong sarili sa ating bagong aralin para sa araw na ito. Okay kids, can you name the letter you see now on my screen? What is the letter? Can you repeat it louder? Okay, very good. This is letter S. You say S. Again, say S. Very good. Now, can you sound the letter S? Okay. This letter sounds like this. Can you do that? Okay, let's do it again. Let's sound the letter S. The letter S sounds like the sound of a snake. What is the sound of a snake? Okay, very good. The sound of a snake is like this. And it sounds like letter S. Now kids, I will show you some pictures of an object that start with letter S and with the sound of S. Okay kids, these are seeds. Can you say seeds? Okay, these are buto in Tagalog. Seeds. Very good. Okay, what is this, kids? Do you know what is this? Okay, this is sail. Sail. Can you say it? Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it together. Sail. Very good. This one, what is this? Okay, this is gagamba in Tagalog. In English, we call this spider. Spider. Again. Okay, let's do it together. Spider. Spider. Very good. Okay, we use this object for cleaning our body every day. So what is this? In Tagalog, this is sabon. Can you name it in English? What is this? Very good. This is soap. Soap. Again. Okay, let's say it together. Soap. Very good. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Can you name the object? Okay, very good. This is snake. Snake. Can you repeat it? Okay, let's do it together. Snake. Snake. Very good. Okay, now, how about this one? Can you name the object? Or can you name the picture? Very good. This is sheep. Sheep. Can you say it again? Okay, now let's say it together. Sheep. Sheep. Very good. Okay. Can you name the picture? What is this? Very good. This is sundalo in Tagalog. How about in English? Okay, this is soldier. You say soldier. Come again. Repeat. Okay, let's say it together. Soldier. Soldier. Very good. Okay, how about this one? I always give this to you every time you finish your work. What is this? Okay, very good. This is a star. Between in Tagalog. You say star. Star. What is the beginning letter of the word star? Very good. It's letter S. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Okay, very good. This is gunting in Tagalog. How about in English? What is this? Okay. We use this object to cut paper, plastic, tape, etc. So, what is this? Yes, very good. This is a scissor. You say scissor. Again, scissor. Very good. Okay, what is this, kids? We use this object to protect our feet. What is this? Yes, very good. This is medyas in Tagalog. How about in English? What is this? Okay, this is socks. Can you say socks? Very good. Say socks. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this one, kids? Okay, this picture looks so yummy. So what is this? Can you name the object? Okay, this is a sandwich. Sandwich. Can you say the word sandwich? Okay, very good. Let's repeat again. Let's say it together. Sandwich. Very good. What is this, kids? What kind of a flower is this? Okay, very good. This is a sunflower. Can you say it again? Sunflower. Very good. Okay, let's say it together. Sunflower. Very good. Okay, how about this one? In Tagalog, this object is called suso. What is suso in English? Okay, this one is snail. Snail. Can you say it? Okay, let's say it together. Snail. Snail. Very good. Okay, now can you name the object? Very good. In Tagalog, this object is called sako. How about in English? What is this? Okay, let's say socks. Socks. One more. Socks. Okay, let's do it again. Socks. What is the first letter of the word socks? Yes, it is letter S. Okay, next. What is this? Yes, this is a shirt. Shirt. What is this? Shirt. Shirt. Okay, very good. Okay, now, how about this one? Can you name the object? What is this? Very good. This is palda in Tagalog. How about in English? We call it skirt. 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 Can you say it again? Okay. Let's do it together. Let's say the word skirt. Skirt. Very good. Okay. Those are the example of an object start with letter S. You look at the first letter of their name and you will see that they all begin in letter S. And the sound of letter S is S. Sounds like a snake. Can you sound it again? Okay, very good. Now, I want to know if you have learned something on our lesson today. So, we will do some activities for me to know that you listen and you understand our lesson. Okay, guys, for our first activity, what will you do? Circle the object that start with letter S or begin with letter S. You name the pictures, so you will identify which of them start with letter S or begin with letter S. Okay, for our next activity, you get your crayon. You can use your favorite color if you want. Then, what will you do? You color the object that begins with letter S. So, look at the object, look at the picture, and you name them. So, you will identify the object that start with letter S. Okay, so for our last activity, you will cut 5 pictures that begin with letter S or start with letter S, and you will paste it inside the letter S. Now, you will use the scissor in cutting the pictures, and I will always reminding you that every time you use the scissor, you need your parents or your guardian with you, so we will not have an accident. Okay, and again, you will need to write some reflection for our today's lesson. So, in your writing notebook, you will write at least 2 sentences about what you have learned today. Sa akin, syempre bibigyan kita ng award, hindi ba? Kasi ikaw ay nakinig at inaasahan ko na naintindihan mo ang ating aralin. Kaya itong bituin ay para sa iyo. Sana nagustuhan mo. Okay, ngayon mga bata, hindi ba napakadali lang ng ating aralin para sa araw na ito? Ito ay lagi nating tatandaan. Ang batang katulad mo ay hindi dapat nagsasabi ng hindi mo kaya. Lagi mong tatandaan, ang lagi mong sasabihin ay kaya ko ito. Ulitin mo nga. Ang batang katulad ko ay hindi dapat nagsasabi ng hindi ko kaya. Ang lagi kong iisipin at sasabihin ay laging kaya ko itong gawin. Okay? So dahil dyan mga bata, ako ay magpapaalam na sa inyo. Magandang ay uuwi na, bukas na ulit ay magkikita. Paalam na sa'yo, paalam na sa'yo, paalam na sa'yo, paalam na sa'yo. Paalam na mga bata, bukas tayo ay magkikitang muli. Paalam na!